Hope you are great. Today we are going to take chapter 5, lesson 2, potential energy. Potential energy. Many objects that are sitting still have potential energy. What's meant by potential energy? Potential energy means is stored up energy, stored energy. For example, hanging candle has potential energy. Look at this. Look at this candle has potential energy. So any object has a potential energy, has a stored energy. Another example, look at this battery has a potential energy. But which kind of potential energy has stored energy? Which kind? Electricity. Inside the battery there is a stored electric energy. So battery has stored electric energy. This is a kind of potential energy. So any object has a potential energy. Potential energy means not stored up energy. Another example, an apple has a potential energy stored in a chemical bond, and inside an apple there is a chemical. So between this chemical there is a bond. This stored energy, this is stored energy, which is potential energy. Gravitational potential energy. Energy of position is based on the principle that matter is elevated place has gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy mean what? Mean is the potential energy of any object that is subject to the pull of gravity. Any object subject to the pull of gravity, this is called what? This is called gravitational potential energy. This is a stored energy, but which kind? This is a potential energy or stored energy. Which kind of potential energy? Gravitational. Gravitational depends on gravity. Gravitational potential energies are affected by high or affected by high. Now look at this picture. Which person has more gravitational potential energy? The highest one. So the highest one has more gravitational potential energy. Look at this picture, or no, look at this. And second one. Here, when car stop, so the kinetic energy equal 0, and there is no motion. So kinetic energy or energy of motion will be 0, but the potential energy or stored energy 100 at the highest, here at the top of the hill. When this car move, so the kinetic energy will be 50, and also potential energy will be 50. At the ground, kinetic energy will be 100. What about potential energy? 0. Potential energy 0. Here, when the car move to the up, kinetic energy will be 75. What about potential energy? 25. So here potential energy at the highest of the hill, highest position of the hill, will be potential energy 100. While the lowest position, here potential energy will be 0. That's it. Thanks for watching.